Existence of rice, a common ingredient of every kitchen from all across the world, dates back to the Vedic age. As per an old saying, the grains of rice should be like two brothers, close but not stuck together. However, in reality, it is this grain that brings the world together, as half of the world's population's staple diet is rice. Though rice has many varieties, but the king of all is Basmati. Bas meaning aroma and Mati meaning full of. So, Basmati means full of aroma. It is world's most popular rice because of this aroma and sweet taste. Truly indigenous, the long-grain Indian Basmati rice is a valuable ingredient for an irresistible treat for all type of palates. According to the Ayurveda, the aromatic, elegant and thin grain of Basmati rice is sattvic, that is, pure. It is highly nourishing for the body tissues and easy to digest. Presenting Banno Basmati rice from the house of Sultan Overseas Private Limited, a well-known name among the leading rice exporters of India. Banno Basmati rice is a well-established international brand with traditional values and modern outlook. Banno brands of Basmati rice are grown, nurtured and sourced from the most fertile fields of North India. Its rich taste and aroma is appreciated and preferred by the food connoisseurs globally. Sultan Overseas has a sound base in farming, especially Basmati rice cultivation, since several generations. Here, we select paddy of pure Basmati variety cultivated in the fertile lands of Punjab and Haryana. The crop in this region is irrigated with the snow-fed waters of Himalayas. That is essential for the highly aromatic Basmati cultivation. Our monitoring starts with a field survey from sowing itself to keep a track of the right source for procurement of the highest quality yield during the season. Being a leading Basmati rice exporter, we grow, care, harvest and process Basmati rice with old traditional methods, but with modern equipment to keep its flavor, aroma and other extraordinary qualities intact. Quest of quality and commitment begins with the procurement of paddy from the grain market. Our trained professionals conduct preliminary tests right there to ensure the procurement of only right quality Basmati rice. Sultan's ISO certified processing units are equipped with all high-tech machinery and equipment to assure our committed delivery of only the best processed, uniform quality Basmati rice. The stringent quality checks that are performed at every level since cultivation and harvesting last through the packaging and dispatch. Our high-end testing facility ensures all the necessary tests of taste, purity, grain size, whiteness and moisture content. Our proven track record of unbeatable product quality and timely delivery has made us proud manufacturer of the greatest varieties of Basmati rice products. Over the years, Sultan Overseas has carved a niche for itself and proved to be one of the reputed Indian Basmati rice exporters. With our footprints in Europe, Middle East, Africa and Australia, and continuously expanding our horizon in the other parts of the world, Banno Basmati rice has established itself as a brand of choice. And it's nothing but company's commitment of supreme quality product delivery that has paved the way for Banno Basmati rice to become a household name today. At Sultan Overseas, our vision is to be recognized as a global leader in offering the most authentic basmati rice, keeping traditional sanctity intact. We are consistently developing newer methods and processes to produce the best quality rice and offer the same with utmost customer satisfaction. Sultan's Banno Basmati rice, the exceptional basmati rice of India.